Guys, gusto niyo nang nakakaaliw kahit minsan lang. Well, minsan natatawa ako dito. Wait lang. Tignan natin. Ngayon ko lang na pwede ka maglagay ng tooth dito. So, tama naman tong sabi nung una, depression yung walang nakakaintindi sa'yo. Leon, walang pera, napudot si ka, tapos come back to me na, oh. Yung mga, well, pinapansin din kaya ng mga tao yan. Wala lang. Minsan, kailangan lang natin i-open ang sarili natin sa mga bagay na akala natin wala nang mapaghuhugutan ng kasiyahan. Meron. Pansinin mo lang. Nasa paligid lang. And, andito ako sa hospital. I thought lang, malakas na ako at hindi na ako nakakaramdam ng energy. Well, iba din ang hugot ng pag negative energy, lahat ng kasing problema dito. Pera, health. Tapos, sasabay pa lahat. Oh, kailangan ko ng gemstones ulit kasi ako nang magbabantay sa lola ko every month siya naha-hospital. So, I need any kind of gemstone in my body for protection, the energies. And miracle really din yung mapasaya mo yung sarili mo, promise, na hindi lagi stress and depression.
Not everyone can smile more, okay? Like some people are dealing with shit. Okay? And I come on here and I'm like trying to like be entertaining for you, but I'm miserable inside and like I don't know, I don't feel like I'm respected at all. I feel like this is a joke, the one podcast. This shit.
Yung alam nyo ba yung ano? Yung kasi kaya mo i-advise yung iba, motivate pero sarili mo. Ang hirap. Kasi minsan yung motivation na natatanggap natin and advice is paulit-ulit na lang na naghahanap ka ng beyond more, something more. I can say if it's vibrational advance that no one can give, but actually punta lang tayo sa ating Ama. Actually, or always pray and He will give that one. Yung satisfaction na nahanap natin. And try our best to make ourselves happy also. Not always things negative. But even though it's imagination, we have to imagine positive things. Right? Like the lucid dream that they are saying. And guys, gusto niyo bang malaman kung ano ba talagang nagpapagulo sa ating mundo? Countries all over the world? Well, I give you kung anong nalalaman ko at nasa isip ko. Kung ano mga napansin ko at nakita ko sa mga shares din naman nila within the post, Google, etc. Sa aking isang YouTube channel. Panoorin niyo po doon. So, see you there! Nasa comment section nakapin po. For watching, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification, comment if you want, and visit my second channel. So, sana makayanan natin to. Kasi nilalabanan talaga natin kahit sino mang tao. Kahit mayaman man yan or makapangyarihan na tao, ang nilalabanan is stress, depression, and anxiety. Huwag nating i-deny yun. Kasi doon naapektuhan yung mga roles natin as being leader, as being mother, as being, well, father, parent, children, teacher, etc. all.